Shiny
Tired of bread and
trinkets
stew?
for
Had
your
enough of
good
fish and fowl?
lady.
Treat yourself and your kindred. It's cut. Steak or a tender rack of.
That's close enough.
You picked a bad We are routed!
Still here. How can I serve you, my Thane? You lead, I'll follow.
Your story.
I don't want some snotty elf telling me what gods I can.
Look, you're going to Fort Newgrad. They have some of our boys locked up there. But with a little luck, we can turn that to our advantage. I've sent some men to scout out the area. Meet them. See if you can't find a way to slip in, free our men, and take over the fort. They'll never suspect an attack from the inside. This won't be easy, but that's why I'm sending you. You got the grit to get this done? Go with the 9.
Here's what I can spare.
Still here. I am sworn to carry your burdens. Let's get going then.
Take a look.
Well, well, look who it is. How have you been? Good to hear. I need this to go well. This is my first real command since they promoted me after Whiterun. You know, some nights when I close my eyes, I see the battle stretched out before me, like I'm still there. Do the men you've killed haunt you? Mine do. That's what I keep telling myself. But never mind all that. We've got a job to do, don't we? We found a cave under the lake. With luck, it'll lead into the prison. I need you to sneak in there and free our men, killing anyone inside as you go. Once you've rescued the prisoners, head out to the courtyard. We'll stand guard out here, and rush in as soon as we hear fighting. Should be fun. You should wait until nightfall before trying to sneak in. Talos preserve you.
You're trespassing here. You'd better clear out.
Guard has the key. Get me out of here. Just a scratch. Get me out of here. Hey, thanks. Let's teach these bastards a lesson. All right. Last but not least, let's go. Thanks. I thought I was going to rot in here. So, what's the plan?
We don't stand still!
The sons of Skyrim!
it!
By the Nine, I hate the waiting. The goddamned waiting.
Fight, or die well.
Die, rebel! Do your worst!
You call your...
Prepare to die.
That's it? That's all you've got?
Now you pay.
I cannot...
Great work. Get back and report our success. I'll stay here and clean up the mess. Glad you were here. Couldn't have done it without you. Damn faithless Imperials. Keep your eyes open. By the Nine, I hate the waiting.
Stay away from the Aretino.
I'm proud we liberated Falkreath from the Empire. In many ways, it's the heart and soul of Skyrim, not to mention its rather strategic position. Some brothers have taken to calling you Bonebreaker. Evidence of your ferocity and determination, a fitting name. So we shall all call you thus. The war demands so much from us. And we give all we have to it and to the people. But I've kept a little something to offer you in appreciation. Please take this on behalf of all the brothers and sisters. And I need capable and loyal warriors close at hand. So I'd like to offer you a home in Wenhel. Speak with my steward, who'll make the arrangements. Get over to our camp in the Reach. They need every able body they can muster. Talos guide you.
The Stormcloaks are finding victory across the land. Splendid. There's a house available right now. Wonderful. Here is the key to your new home. I'll be glad to help. And of course, now, what would you like to purchase? Very well. Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? Very well. Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? Very well. Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? Very well. Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? Very well. Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? Very well. Is there anything else you'd like to purchase? Travel safely. It's dangerous. It's out there. Sir, there continues to be unrest in the Grey Quarter.
Spare a coin. Talos up to no good, are we? I'll teach you, but it'll cost you. I hope the wind dies down a bit before tonight. Hard when you've got to sleep outside. The divine smile.
Skyrim. Shavi knows the dock doesn't look nice, but fresh air is good for the gills.
I don't think you were followed. Come on.
Who do you
I have a
think's
plan.
killed more Imperials? You? Or me?
We got rooms and food. Drink, too.
I'm right behind
cook.
you.
Ain't much
As
else
you
to
wish,
tell.
my Thane.
I figured out how we're going to get you into the Thalmor embassy. That would be a bad idea. I'd be too likely to attract the wrong kind of attention. But they don't know. The Thalmor ambassador, Elenwen, regularly throws parties where the rich and connected cozy up to the Thalmor. I can get you into one of those parties. Once you're inside the embassy, you can get away and find Elenwen's secret files. I have a contact inside the embassy. He's not up for this kind of high-risk mission, but he can help you. His name is Malborn. Wood Elf. Plenty of reason to hate the Thalmor. You can trust him. I'll get word for him to meet you in Solitude at the Winking Skeever. You know it? While you're doing that, I'll work on getting you an invitation to Elenwen's little party. Meet me at the Solitude stables after you've arranged things with Malborn. Any questions?
Now I think it's high time that you lie down and bleed.
Sounds good.
So then came clashing
Be careful.
and slashing of steel as the brave lass Matilda charged in full of zeal. And the braggart named Ragnar was boastful no more.
We heading out? As you command, my
His ugly
Thane.
red head rolled around on the floor.
Damn faithless Imperials.
Everyone, inside.
Best offense is a good defense, am I right?
What do you need? What do you need?
I've been looking for you. Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only. Let's see here. There's a new museum opening up in Dawnstar. The owner is asking me to hand out invitations to travelers. Looks like that's it. Got to go.
You're someone who got some good pieces. Looking to protect yourself or deal some damage? Don't forget to check inside the shop if you need anything.